Nahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Kung titignan natin, pagbasihan natin, kung ikaw yung nasa ICC or ikaw yung isa sa mga judge doon, ano tingin mo yung pinaka-main focus nung trial?
So, I think what the ICC is trying to prove, pero meron din
Ma'am Court, palakas daw ng boses, ng kahina daw.
Hoy, Jonas, naman niloloko mo lang ako dyan. Sisigaw na. So, meron din criticism sa ICC na they're just trying to clean their image because of all the criticism na, ayun, sinanction daw ng US. But nevertheless, setting that aside, what exactly is the ICC trying to prove in this investigation? It's yung prosecution, hindi naman bawat pinatay, they have to prove every single killing may kinalaman si Digong dun. No, it's trying to prove crimes against humanity of murder and attempted murder between 2011 and 2019. So, ang papakita lang nila na widespread or systematic yung, first of all, na yan ang inatake dun. Also, na Duterte, meron talaga siyang individual na responsibility. Tumulong siya sa pagdisenyo, pag-order, pag-encourage, or enable dun sa pag-atake ng mga civilian. And we all know that he check all of the above.
So parang ang punto nyo po is more on the command responsibility aspect.
Hindi lang sa sa command responsibility because siya naman talaga nagdisenyo nun yung pag sabi niya na eto yung gagawin, dinisenyo niya, in order niya. Kung sinabi niya na sinasabi nga ni Kaufman, show me a written order na sinabi niya kill. Eh, dati niyang kasamahan yung nasa prosecution. Sabi niya, si Hitler ba may sinulat na kill. You were with me. You were my teammate before. There's never anything written. You know, tayong maglukuhan dito. An order is, it could be verbal. Did Hitler write anything like that? I don't think so. And then, mga speeches niya, that's his encouragement. Yung sinasabi niya sa mga pulis na akong bahala. Although siya ba ang bahala? It was only when he was in Congress, when he found out that was, sinabi niya, I will establish. Ano tawag niya dun? Mag-i-establish daw siya ng fund to help all the policemen that are now in trouble for all the killings that they did. Ayun mo lang naisip yan, Diggs, di ba? And enabling the attacks.